What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here. I'm pretty excited. I got these Auxedo LED fog light bulbs in. They're supposed to be super bright. I got these, they're like a yellow color. It's a little different than what I normally do. This 3000 Kelvin golden yellow. Okay, so I normally do like 6K white on most of my vehicles. I want to try something different. This 99 Navigator, I've been doing some work on getting it back on the road. In my other video you saw, I went ahead and did the fog light install on putting them in. I robbed some off another Navigator and I got these bulbs, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in. All right, so quarter of a turn, we'll pull the old bulb out so you can see them right here, and I'm just going to pull on this tab, pop this whole thing out. It should just come out. So right here, y'all, you can see, pull here and bulb will come out. This is the old bulb, you can see, and you're just left with the actual plug. Y'all can see that right there, just the actual plug. And now we're going to go ahead and open these up and see what they look like under here. All right, so Auxedo, let's see what y'all sent me, what I bought, because y'all didn't send me anything. Let's check them out. All right, okay, so these are the bulbs. So they look like they have the same mount, so they'll go in the same way, turn and lock. We'll plug this into the plug. Looks like they've got, I thought there was a fan on this. There's no fan. This is just a really large heat sink. So let's go ahead and pop them in and see how they look, y'all. All right, so the light here, and we're gonna go ahead same way, kind of pop it in the hole. They actually fit good. Quarter of a turn, so they've turned and locked. The yellow on the ends seems like it makes a very good seal, y'all. So far I'm happy, because you can see I've done some other videos in the past where these mounts don't necessarily line up with the headlight and you have all kinds of issues. But this yellow here, this rubber, you push it on, turn it, and it's locked in there. Let y'all see that real quick. So if you look right here, guys, you can see that piece is locked in. If you look at that, I mean, it's locked in there. It's not going anywhere. It's nice and sturdy, so that's a good thing. You can see it right here. Everything looks like it's good. It's holding in place, a nice seal all the way around. I'm happy with it so far. Then you just plug your connector in. That should be pretty straightforward. Looks like it goes like this. So that's plugged in. It's got a little extra tail here. It doesn't plug directly into the back, so that little extra tail, but it's not hanging down like it's gonna hit anything. So I'm really okay with it. I don't really feel the need to try to wire tie it up because it is right here. It's not really hanging down, but you could take it up a little higher and just kind of wire tie it up to get it out of the way. I mean, you could do it like right here, which I probably will. I'll probably put a wire tie right there just to hold it up higher. I don't like that it hangs down that far. So we'll just wire tie it up out the way. But let's get that other one hooked up so we can check it out. And for the passenger side, you're just gonna pop this up, give this thing a little twist back and forth. Got it off like that. Well, right here, see, you just line the tab up. It's gonna go like this. Push them up tight. So nice and snug. Then you're just gonna line your hole up here with the fog light, the hole. Insert, quarter turn, you see it locks in place. All right, y'all, so I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but definitely bright, and definitely a different color. That 3000, that Kelvin. So these are just the standard halogens here, and these are a really bright yellow. They really look cool, and it really makes this Navigator look different. I'm pretty happy with them so far. When it gets dark, I'm gonna give y'all a test of them. So I'm gonna show y'all, this is parking lights, very dark. You see here, headlights are on. Now that's our old guest house that I've cleaned up in front of down here. And the way these lights are, I don't have them adjusted. There's really no adjustment because I just put them in there with those wire ties. And I don't know if it's just the bumper, the light itself, but there's nothing to really adjust it. So they shine, but they shine up a good bit. Now I'm gonna turn them on for y'all so y'all can see them. And those bulbs are pretty bright. So here we go. So they shine here and now, but if you look, they shine up a good bit. They kind of go up and out, but I'm happy with them, y'all. I mean, they cover, you can see that's no light, and that's the fog lights on. So I'm happy with them. I'll give y'all a shot real quick outside what they look like. All right, so you can see here, those are the fog lights, and y'all, these things are bright. That's just a little lens flare because I got a screen protector on and a camera cover, this case, so that's what you're seeing. Shoot this one on my phone, but I mean, those things are super. I mean, that amber light is super bright, y'all. Pretty happy with them all in all. I think they do a good job. I'm Kevin Reese. Thank y'all for watching.